Come retrace your steps in beautiful Vietnam. Walk in the same steps as your father, grandfather, or relative. If you're a MACV-SOG enthusiast, come explore the sights and the sounds of Ho Chi Minh City, Da Nang, Hue, Quay Son, My Lac, and Lang Vây. My name is Bruce Christensen, MACV-SOG historian and guide to the wonders of Vietnam. You will witness the beauty of the country and the culture. You will meet the local population, shop at the many gift stores. You will dine at the local restaurants, leaving your taste buds overwhelmed with delight. In Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City, we will visit the old SOG headquarters building. We will climb the ladder at the old CIA building as the independents did to reach the last chopper out of Vietnam. We will walk by the location of the old U.S. Embassy. We will explore the War Remnants Museum, which is packed full of U.S. military vehicles and equipment. Other things to do in Saigon is visit the famous French-built post office and send a postcard home. Next to that is Notre Dame Cathedral of Saigon. We can explore the Independence Palace and walk the streets of Vietnam to see the beautiful French influence. We will walk down Tujo Street, where many SOG personnel went out on the town. The prices for all these locations is just a few dollars, or it's free. You can book a tour on one of the local buses that will show you all the sights of Saigon, or book a tour to go see the tunnels at Cho Chi outside of Saigon. In Da Nang, I will take you to Marble Mountain, where we can spend the day exploring the caves and the temples. We will walk the sand where FOB4 CCN was located and take some great pictures. We will go to Monkey Mountain. This is where the men at FOB4 CCN would train. It also is the location of the Lady Buddha and other temples. It is worth seeing. We will take a day trip to Sun World, Ba Na Hills, and take the longest cable car in the world. We will walk the famous Hand Bridge. We will take an evening trip to Hoi An, the famous Lantern City. Breathtaking views. While in Da Nang, we will also go to SOG's Safe House, House 22. Next, we will drive to Hue, stopping at the old French and American fort atop of the Hai Van Pass. Then down to FOB1, Phu Bai. This is near where 101st Airborne Camp Eagle was located. We will then drive to Hue. We will take a day trip to the Hue's historical cathedral, the location of one of the deadliest Tet battles. Still visible, shells blast in the walls. We will dine on the famous dish, Bun Bo Hue. We will take a day trip to Quay Son, the location of the Marine base and SOG's FOB3. And we will explore the Quay Son Museum. Next, we will travel a short distance to Lang Vây. Lang Vây was the Special Forces A camp on the border of Laos. There was a famous battle there when the NVA first used tanks to attack the camp. MACV-SOG personnel volunteered to rescue the survivors. After which, we'll go to My Lac. When Quay Son shut down, the personnel of FOB3 moved to My Lac and built a base there. If you like history, especially MACV-SOG history, make this one of the best trips ever. Another great reason to go is the cost. Everything in Vietnam is inexpensive. Hotels, food, taxis, etc. If you are interested, please contact me for a complete list of things you will need for Vietnam. Thanks for watching. Please give me a like and subscribe to our channels.